Yeah, it rained last night. What's it, November 5th? It's foggy. Didn't freeze. Rained last night. Like, not an inch or nothing. Probably like a tenth or two. Wild. We've had open falls and winters like this before, but yeah, not every year. So I'll take this this beautiful fall. Absolutely. Don't need to plug vehicles in. Look at that, like foggy, dewy. It's awesome. I love it. So beautiful. Can get all the fall work done and stuff done before it snows or freezes. Probably won't get it done though. We can get more done. Are we in southern Ontario or are we in northern Alberta? This is beautiful! The fog kind of sucks, but it's like not even cold. And it's cow day again for the other batch. Some nice looking cows. Those girls aren't going to town, but the boys are. Foggy, 0 degrees. It's a beautiful November, whatever today is, 5th, 6th. Oh, it's the 6th today. Let's put the batteries back in. Had to take them out for a combine that died. Oh, I guess kind of supposed to check the oils before you start. If the thing will undo. What the heck? Come on. There. Goodness. There we go. She's on full. It won't blow up maybe now. Gotta use this for hydraulics since the New Holland is not here right now. Look at that. Smells like spring. Except we got a few flies. Let's see if she turns over. You can do it. Come on. She lives. This thing is a smoker. I think it needs new injectors. Hello, John Deere. Let's turn the air conditioning off. Don't need that. I like this tractor. I kind of like all staggers. They're just so nice. Good morning. Got a little snow last night, but it's like So warm this morning. It's just beautiful. Gonna unload this canola from last night. Make some chop for the pigs. And then this morning we're heading to Red Deer for AgriTrade for the big farm show. Woo! It's gonna be a good time. The first time I haven't been able to properly go over this auger. We're kind of, I guess, on a little bit of a crown on the road. Pretty heavy, the tires are sagging. Now I put new tires on this auger, so I couldn't quite get over it. So, just kind of went beside it and made do. Now I'll let that work its stuff and go get the auger set up for making chop. I love this tractor. It works good on the mixer. Clutch needs to set a little bit. Just barely fits. Love that Detroit. It is so warm today. This snow probably might be gone this afternoon. I like it. Things sound so good. We're making chop. The last while it's been idling. We're back to the idling one slobbers a bit. So once you seeded the corn and you just grab it out and start working it, big heat, and then it's gonna burn all the junk over the outside from that. So it's kind of slower, it's on fire, but it's fun. It's good. And yes, we have some this barley's kind of caking a bit, so we gotta poke it with a stick every so often. Yeah, I like doggers right in, so you kind of don't really want to go in the bin with that big wall, because you go in there, start picking away, falls down, throws in the auger, you lose a hand or three. Yeah, not fun. Safety first, remember? And we got enough in there we can try to put this in. So we throw in the bag river road. The bag is C90. No, mineral stuff. Really good. Good to go.